Hey everyone, I'm Maddy. I was born and raised in North Carolina, but it wasn't until more recently that I developed a huge appreciation for the beauty in this state and realized how many epic adventures were right in my backyard. Today we'll be hiking to 3 beautiful waterfalls in DuPont State Forest along the Little River. Then we'll stop by an impressive roadside waterfall before heading to lunch at a local favorite spot. Today's adventure is brought to you by GetYourGuide. Of the 3 waterfalls we'll visit in DuPont, High Falls is the tallest and most impressive at 150 feet, but I think they're all unique and beautiful in their own way. For example, Hooker Falls is a really popular spot for swimming in the summer. North Carolina is home to hundreds of waterfalls. I mean, Transylvania County alone has more than 250, which is why it's called the Land of Waterfalls. I think our beautiful state is so underrated, and I really hope to see you all on the trails soon.